Large language models come with a fixed context window, the number of tokens they can read at once. Push past it and quality collapses. LongRoPE, from Microsoft Research, stretches that window past 2 million tokens without retraining the whole model. In this video, why context is capped, what LongRoPE is, how it works step by step, its architecture, how it compares to ERN, the results, and when to reach for it. Most modern models use rotary position embeddings, or RoPE, to encode where each token sits. But RoPE is only trained up to a fixed length, say 4 or 8,000 tokens. Feed it a longer sequence and the positions fall outside anything it has seen, so attention breaks down and the output turns to noise. Training on longer sequences from scratch is enormously expensive. We need a cheaper way to stretch the window. LongRoPE extends a pre-trained model's context window by rescaling its rotary embeddings, not by retraining it from scratch. The key insight: you do not have to interpolate every RoPE dimension the same way. Some dimensions tolerate stretching far better than others. LongRoPE searches for the best per dimension rescaling, giving a much longer window while preserving the model's original short context skill. LongRoPE reaches 2 million tokens with a progressive strategy. First, an efficient search finds good rescale factors to hit 256,000 tokens. Then it briefly fine-tunes the model at that length, only about 1,000 steps. Next it runs a second search on the fine-tuned model to push all the way to 2 million. Finally it readjusts on short 8,000 token input so the original short context performance comes back. The engine underneath is an evolutionary search over two non-uniformities. First, RoPE dimensions differ. Low-frequency ones extrapolate safely, while high-frequency ones degrade fast and need gentler scaling. Second, the earliest token positions carry outsized attention, so they are kept close to their original form. A perplexity-guided search finds a rescale factor for every dimension, under a monotonic constraint, instead of one blunt global factor. How is this different from earlier tricks? Linear position interpolation squeezes all positions uniformly and ignores that dimensions differ. NTK-aware scaling adjusts the base frequency, but is still one global rule. ERN improves things by treating frequency bands differently and correcting attention temperature. LongRoPE goes further, a fine-grained per-dimension factor found by search, plus preserved early tokens, which is why it reaches far longer windows. Here is the family at a glance. Position interpolation, uniform, simple, and limited. NTK-aware scaling, frequency-based and works with no fine-tuning. ERN, selective by frequency band with a temperature correction. LongRoPE, non-uniform per-dimension rescaling found by evolutionary search, plus progressive extension. Each step up the ladder respects more of RoPE structure, and each buys a longer, more reliable context window. The headline is scale. LongRoPE extends LMA2 and Mistral past 2 million tokens, a leap of more than 250 times the original window. And it does this while keeping strong accuracy. On long context retrieval tests, the extended models still find a needle buried deep in a haystack of millions of tokens, where naive stretching would have failed completely. It is also cheap. LongRoPE needs only about 1,000 fine-tuning steps at up to 256,000 length, and it keeps the original architecture, so existing optimizations still apply. In 2025, Microsoft followed up with LongRoPE 2, a near-lossless version that reaches 128,000 tokens while keeping over 97% of short context accuracy, using 80 times fewer training tokens than brute force. Where does this shine? Whole book question answering, giant code bases, long legal and financial documents, and multi-hour meeting transcripts, anything that must fit in a single prompt. LongRoPE was adopted by Microsoft's Phi 3 Mini to give a small model a 128,000 token window. It also gives long context research a strong, reusable baseline for extending open models like LMA and Mistral. So when should you use it? Reach for LongRoPE when you have a solid short context model and need a dramatically longer window without a full retrain, and you can spare a short fine-tune. Think twice if your workload always fits and a few thousand tokens the extra machinery is wasted, or if you need guaranteed lossless short context behavior, where the newer LongRoPE 2 or a natively long model may serve you better. Let's recap. Context windows are capped because RoPE is only trained on short lengths. LongRoPE stretches them by rescaling RoPE per dimension, found with an evolutionary search, then extending progressively first 256,000, then 2 million and recovering short context skill. It beats uniform interpolation and ERN, costs only about 1,000 fine-tuning steps, and powers models like Phi-3. That is LongRoPE, a smart, search-driven way to give a frozen model a vastly longer memory without paying to retrain it. Did this make LongRoPE click? Follow for plain English genai breakdowns.